Welcome to the MRCA web series, Online with the Outdoors. My name is Andy, and today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite topics in nature, astronomy. Today, we will discover the history of constellations across the ages and observe a planet that we will be able to see throughout the fall nights. Constellations are more than just patterns in our night sky. They tell us about our history and how people used to understand the sky and world around them. 3,000 years ago, when societies first began documenting the night sky, astrology was the explanation of the objects above. Astrology helped connect what they saw in the night sky as shapes and figures to their mythological and religious beliefs. The constellations also served as agricultural and navigational tools. They could help a sailor find the North Star while sailing across the ocean, or tell a farmer when to plant certain crops. Constellations, stories, and their meanings vary from one culture to the next, as there are many different ways to interpret the beauty of the night sky. Today, many cultures around the world still use constellations for religious purposes as well as agricultural and navigational tools. There are many constellations that we will be able to enjoy this fall. If you look to the northern sky, you will see 5 stars making a W. Different cultures saw different shapes and told different stories about their night sky. The Chinese culture saw these 5 stars as part of a chariot, while the Arabian culture saw them as part of a camel or a centaur. To the Greeks, this is part of the constellation Cassiopeia. Queen Cassiopeia sits on her throne next to Cephas. Cassiopeia and Cephas are the only husband-wife couple among the constellations. In Greek mythology, King Cephas was the mythological ruler of Ethiopia and was placed in the sky by Zeus after his death. Queen Cassiopeia and King Cephas had a beautiful daughter, Andromeda. As Greek mythology goes, when Cassiopeia claimed that Andromeda was more beautiful than the sea nymphs, Andromeda was chained to a rock near the dangerous sea monster Cetus as punishment. Luckily for her, the hero Perseus came to her rescue. Perseus will be visible in the northeast sky later in the night. Relating these stories to the stars above allows the beliefs and gods of ancient cultures to live on forever. Through them, we can discover how people understood the world centuries ago and connect us with their way of life. This fall is also a great time to check out the planet Jupiter, and possibly some of its moons if viewed through a telescope. It will appear starting in early November in the eastern sky, appearing low on the horizon around 8 p.m., then rising higher in the sky each night as the winter months grow closer. Be sure to join our various free public astronomy programs at our Upper Las Virgenes location. Our schedule is available online at lamountains.com. Thank you for watching the MRCA Astronomy webisode. Be sure to watch our other videos, and check back in the winter for our next astronomy segment when we will learn about Orion the Hunter.